Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about what is Binance Coin. So let's get started. What is Binance Coin? Binance Coin is the cryptocurrency issued by Binance Exchange and trades with the BNB symbol. As of Q2 2022, Binance Exchange is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world with a volume of $7.6 billion. Binance Coin is the cryptocurrency issued by the Binance Exchange and traders with the BNB symbol. BNB was initially based on the Ethereum network, but it is now the native currency of Binance's own blockchain, the Binance chain. Every quarter, Binance uses one-fifth of its profits to repurchase and permanently destroy or burn Binance coins held as its treasury. Binance was created as a utility token for discounted trading fees in 2017, but its uses have expanded to numerous applications, including payments for a transaction fees in 2017, but its uses have expanded into numerous applications, including payments for transaction fees on the Binance chain, travel booking, entertainment online services, and financial services. At the time of writing, Binance had a market cap of more than $56 billion and ranks behind only Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USD Tether in terms of market cap. Understanding Binance Coin BNB, Binance can Coin initially ran on the Ethereum blockchain with ERC20 standard but has since become the native coin of the Binance chain. It has launched during an initial coin offering ICO in July 2017 and has a strict maximum of 200 million BNB tokens. It offered 10% or 20 million BNB tokens on angel investors, 40% or 80 million tokens to the founding team, and the remaining 50% or 100 million to be various participants through the ICO process. Almost half the funds raised during the eco process were intended to be used for Binance branding and marketing, while around one third were used to build the Binance platform and perform necessary upgrades to the Binance ecosystem. BNB was initially based on the Ethereum network but is now the native currency of Binance's own blockchain, the Binance chain. Biggest cryptos as of May 28, 2022, BNB has the fifth largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization behind only Bitcoin, Ethereum, USD Tether, and USD Coin. Binance Coin burning all to 100 billion Binance tokens when initially offered in the ICO. The current total supply is lower. Every quarter, Binance uses one-fifth of its profits to repurchase and permanently destroy or burn Binance coins held in its treasury. Binance has regularly performed these burning events. The last BNB burn came on April 15th, 2021, when Binance burned a total of 1,99,888 BNB, equivalent to 595,314 million dollars USD worth of tokens. It is Binance's fifth quarterly BNB burn and its largest ever in terms of US dollars. The total supply of BNB has decreased from 170,532,825 to 169,432,937. Binance Coin uses support. Binance was created as a utility token for discounted trading fees in 2017, but since then its uses have expanded to numerous applications and wide number of platforms. It's used to pay for transaction fees on Binance.com, Binance Dex, and Binance Chain. It can also be used for payments at places like Crypto.com, Monetha, and HTC. I will give the link in the description for these sites to look. Now, to book travel accommodations at sites such as TravelbyBit, Trip.io, and Traveler. Binance.com for entertainment purposes, virtual gifts, card bags, lotteries to pay for online services, BitTorrent, Canva, Storm, and etc. Even for financial purposes, take out a loan at ETHLend or make investors at Moeda. One can also use Binance coins to invest in certain ICOs that are listed through Binance Launchpad program. New cryptocurrencies listed on the Binance exchange and the uses of Binance provides a seamless market for trading in a variety of established and new virtual tokens. The crypto token has garnered support from other partnership, which has helped its usage spread. It includes a partnership with Asia's premier high-end live video streaming platform Uplive, which sells virtual gifts for BNB tokens to Uplive's 20 million and strong user base. Binance Coin is also supported by the platform, the mobile app, and the Visa debit card of Monaco, the pioneering payments and cryptocurrency platform. As of June 24, 2021, the Binance Smart Chain was processing as much as 3.7 million daily transactions, triple the amount of Ethereum's all-time high in daily transactions, but down from a record almost 12 million daily transactions reached on May 14, 2021. What is BNB coin? BNB coin is a cryptocurrency that is used primarily to pay transactions and trading fees on the Binance exchange. What is the BNB coin used for? Beyond the Binance exchange, Binance coin has several uses, including the ability to make credit card payments, pay for travel arrangements on select websites, buy virtual gifts, process payments, make investments, make loans and transfers, donate to charity, etc. What does convert to BNB mean in the world of cryptocurrency? Does refers to any amount of coins or tokens that are so small that they are often ignored. They are basically the tiny fractions left from the trades. Binance allow traders to convert their dust into BNB. What is a BNB market? The BNB market simplified refers to the place where the BNB is bought or sold. Most purchases of BNB take place on the secondary market. Traders are able to buy and sell BNB on Binance.com as well as other crypto platforms. Is Binance banned in the US? Binance is not banned in the US. However, on May 13, 2021, Bloomberg reported that Binance holding is under investigation by the Justice Department and Internal Revenue Service. According to the report, laundering and tax sleuths have probed individuals with insight into Binance business. We take our legal obligations very seriously and engage with regulators and law enforcement in a collaborative fashion. Binance spokeswoman Jessica Jung said, "We have worked hard to build a robust compliance program that incorporates anti money laundering principles and tools used for financial institutions to detect and address suspicious activity." Binance is incorporated with Cayman Islands. So, this is it for today, guys, for what is Binance Coin, aka BNB. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.